Hi everyone, let's analyze Sharda Cropchem. Cropchem, everybody knows about this company. It's an agri-chemical company, very well-known company, small cap. Let's analyze what's happening. We will quickly check the monthly, got listed around 14, mid high in 17. It has gone 82% from its all-time high, pretty much trading around the IPO price if you see IPO. Okay. What's on the weekly basis? So it went up, it is up around 300%, and if you see, this was the earlier base. This was the earlier base, 29-30%. It broke out, quickly came in. Now it is trying to sort of consolidate here. So what is happening? It's consolidating within this range, within this 28-30% range. So what's encouraging? It went up on very high volume, but it quickly succumbed. Why? Volatility, market was also correcting. Okay, so what is our trade setup here? What do we look for? This is the weekly. Let's go on the daily quickly. So what? This is a very deep correction, so we'll have to wait for some sort of consolidation on the right side, to be honest with you. So what I would like to see is it this sort of consolidates further over here in a short range, in like 10, 12%, 15% range, and that is when we can we can start accumulating. However, if you like the agrochemical space and if you're keen on picking this stock up, you can still buy it with a 20% stop loss. So if it starts trading below the 200-day moving average continuously on a 2 3 week basis, it breaks down on very high volume, you should be out. And why must you buy here aggressively, if you like the agrochem space? So the reason for that is the fundamentals. Only 5% of the stock is out in the market. Very, very good number of cash flow, no loans. They have investments of 183 crores. They have 131 crores on their books as cash, so that is good. If you look at the profits, so sales have been going up continuously. Margins have taken a hit. However, since sales are growing, it has propelled their profits higher. So if you see, this sales were pretty much locked in a range of 180, 190 cr, and suddenly the sales have broken out of that range. Profits are up to 137 crore. Sorry, profits was locked between this range, if you see, and then it's broken out. So that is great. Sales have been continuously rising, so that is very, very good. Margins have taken a hit. Margin may become better, but overall, if you see 18-20%, so which means they command good pricing power on their products. Let's check the product segment: agro, non-agro. So agro is where maximum sales is coming from, and the growth is also coming from the agro only. Okay, so that is good. March results are not out yet, so we will wait for that. When is it due? It is due in a couple of days. So yes, let's. I think if you're not aggressive, you should wait for March results to be out. But we had great monsoons last year. This year monsoons are on time, and we are expecting good monsoon this year too. We had record yield record yield in a couple of crops last year. So we are expecting good yield this year also, good growth this year as well. So this looks very likely to move further up, and the fact that the stock sort of bottomed out, and it has moved up by 28-30%, and it is continuously going up before its results. My guess is that the results are going to be good. Okay, so this looks like a good place to start accumulating this stock. Um, what can we expect in terms of how where can it go? So we are buying at this level. We are buying If we are buying at this level, we can expect it to reach at least its all-time high. So that's 50-60% from here. We can expect that to happen. Um, so this is the area that I am concerned about, because if you see the stock went down, came up, and then again sold off from here. This level is where it sold off from. This is the level. And if you see it tried reaching this level, then got sold off here. Again, if you see it reached this level, got sold off here. So this will be the area where it sort of faces some sort of selling pressure. And then if it's successful, it is successful with that respect, then it can break out. On the weekly front, this is one candle. It's a bit sort of, could be an anomaly. We don't know what. So, however, see, it's going up on very high volume, went up on high volume. So that's very encouraging. Down days are on low, relatively lower volume. So that is good. So yeah, so can be accumulated. The stock can be accumulated in this area between 300 and 350. Yes. And the stop loss is 20%. Closes below the 200 day on a 2 3 week continuously. If it closes continuously below 200 day for 2 3 weeks, then one should be out. Thanks, guys.